Okay, so my car has showed this thrown this code before. I did have to replace the temperature sensor, and when I was looking at the wire, I was trying to find my multimeter because it was saying to test it on the forum that I was reading, but I couldn't find my multimeter. So now I'm gonna get a multimeter because they're saying that because of the low power, it causes the car to dump too much fuel or run lean, and so that's why the startups are super rough because the temperature sensor doesn't know to tell the computer that the car is not operating temperature or is operating temperature. And when I check the temperature with the OBD2, it from the forum it was saying that it'll make it read 100 degrees more than what the temperature of the car actually is. So I'm gonna have to figure that out because that can lead to the head gasket blowing again, and I'm not trying to fucking deal with that. So, order me a multimeter, or I'm gonna stop by O'Reilly's or something and see if I can get me a multimeter, and then I'm gonna read that. And I'm not good with wiring, so I'll probably just call my mechanic up to see if he can uh check it out and fix the wire or whatever. So that's the point that I'm at right now with the Mustang.